After July 15, 2025, YouTube and other platforms like TikTok and even podcast directories are cracking down on robotic, low-quality AI voices. So the big question is, can you still use AI voices in your videos? This sudden shift has created a major problem for creators who rely on AI voiceovers. Now there's a clear need to find an alternative, one that sounds real. After watching videos from several big YouTubers on this topic, here's what we've learned. Yes, you can still use AI voices on YouTube, but they have to sound realistic, not robotic. Many creators are now suggesting heavy editing of AI voices to make them more natural. But here's the good news. You don't need to do that, because I've found a tool that lets you create ultra-realistic AI voices without editing, and even clone your own voice. It's called Typecast AI. Now the question is, can Typecast AI save your content with emotional, human-like voiceovers? Let's find out, and listen to a few sample voices from Typecast AI.
Create lifelike voices with these simple steps.
I can't believe this is happening. Everything was going so well, and now it's all falling apart.
I can't believe this is happening. Everything was going so well, and now it's all falling apart.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today?
안녕하세요. 오늘 잘 지내요? Привет, как ты сегодня?
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? Simply type in your text and bring it to life with voices capable of expressing diverse emotions, just like real people. Want to try creating the voice of a grumpy grandpa?
I'm angry nearly every day of my life.
What does a woman in love sound like?
He finally did it! He finally proposed to me yesterday!
You can create voices in various languages too.
안녕하세요. konnichiwa. Hola. Bonjour. Здравствуйте.
Let Typecast help bring your creative ideas to life.
Today, I'll break down everything you need to know about this platform. Its features, pricing, how it compares with other tools, and whether it's really worth your money. Let's go. What is Typecast AI? Typecast AI is an AI-powered voiceover and avatar platform built for content creators, marketers, educators, and even indie game developers. What makes it stand out is its hyper-realistic voice modeling, not just reading text, but delivering emotion, tone, and personality. Whether you're making YouTube tutorials, reels, corporate explainers, or even full-blown story narration, Typecast gives you a cast of characters, voice styles, and moods, all powered by AI. Core features of Typecast AI. 1. Voice library. Huge variety. Typecast offers over 600 plus AI voices in multiple languages, from friendly narrators to deep cinematic tones. Kids, elderly voices, cartoon-style characters, and even anime-like personalities. You'll find something that fits your brand vibe, no matter the niche.
You know, when I left my village, I thought I'd find something bigger. Grander, maybe.
Hey there! We're coming to you live tonight from the heart of the city, and the energy here is unreal. Quick update. Storms are moving in fast, so
some days it's all mud, noise, and busted knuckles. Ain't glamorous, but it's real.
2. Emotional control panel. This one's a game changer. You can control the pitch, speed, tone, and emotion of every sentence. Happy, sad, angry, persuasive, you name it. It's not just reading text anymore. It's storytelling. 3. Video avatar integration. Need a face for your voice? Typecast offers digital avatars that move their lips and express emotions while speaking your script. It's perfect for faceless YouTubers, explainer videos, or anyone who wants a human presence without being on camera.
in the heart of the ancient kingdom of Ilaria, there lived a queen unlike any other. Queen Seraphina was known across lands, not just for her breathtaking beauty, but for something far rarer, her calm, unshakable silence.
4. AI voice customization. If you're serious about branding, this one's for you. With a Pro account, you can request custom voice modeling. Imagine having your own branded AI voice, consistent across every video you make.
Easily replicate your voice with a 30-second audio sample on Typecast. Our voice cloning wizardry will make you say, "Wow, my voice sounds incredible! It's even better than I expected."
Pros versus cons. Is Typecast AI worth it? Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of using Typecast AI. Pros: incredibly lifelike AI voices. These voices go way beyond the usual robotic tones. They sound natural, emotional, and human. Built-in avatar support. No need to record yourself. You can use digital avatars that match your voice. Script editor with emotional controls. Adjust tone, pitch, speed, and emotion for every line. Complete storytelling control. Regular updates and new voice releases. They're constantly adding fresh voices, languages, and features to keep things exciting. Commercial rights included Pro plans. You can monetize your content legally, whether it's for YouTube, ads, or client work. Cons: free plan has voice limits. You'll need to upgrade for longer scripts or frequent usage. Custom avatars and voice cloning require higher tier plans. Premium features are locked behind Pro or Business tiers. Only iOS app available. There's no Android app, only iOS, so you'll need to work from a desktop, laptop, or iOS devices. How does Typecast compare to other tools? You've probably tried other AI tools like 11 Labs, Murph, AI, or Descript. So, how does Typecast stack up? Let's break it down. Typecast equals versatility. You get voice plus video plus script editor all in one platform. Emotional voices, lip sync avatars, and a creative studio built for storytellers. 11 Labs equals best for raw voice cloning. Super realistic voice cloning, no doubt. But it lacks avatars, and there's no built-in script studio for creative control. Murph equals great for teams. Collaborative features are strong, ideal for marketing or team projects. But when it comes to emotional range, it's a bit limited. Descript equals best for podcast editing. Excellent for cutting and editing voice content. But the AI voices still feel a little robotic and flat. So, if you're looking for a tool that delivers emotional voiceovers, AI avatars, and a full script studio to bring it all together, Typecast is the all-in-one solution you've been waiting for. Pricing breakdown. Typecast offers a free plan so you can test voices and explore its features. Paid plans start at just $8.99 per month and scale based on your needs. That includes voice minutes, downloads, and commercial usage rights. So whether you're a beginner or a growing creator, you can start small and scale up as needed. So, is Typecast worth it? If you're serious about leveling up your content with emotional AI voiceovers, dynamic avatars, and pro-grade script tools all in one browser tab, then the answer is yes, 100%. I've personally used it for client work and YouTube projects, and the results are absolutely. Click the link in the description to try it out free and see how your content transforms with just a few clicks. And hey, if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Tutorial Lab, and drop a comment below. Which voice or avatar did you like best?